Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning the downstairs of my home. I always set off my robotic vacuum because I am a mom of 3 and I like getting things done as quick as possible.
I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. You took me to the ocean, 2 a.m. The air was cool and golden in the end. I'll hold on to the sweatshirt that you left. I'm holding on to
If anybody has any idea how I can decorate this brick area, please leave a comment below. I have no clue what I want to do with it. Normally I just put the baby stuff on it so it doesn't crease the carpet, but I don't want to tear it down. I want to do something nice with it because I think it gives the house a cozy charm and it gives it some character.
Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. My mind is a minefield. Watch your step, that's not a threat, no. My heart is a house of cards. They had those shaky hands, they let me fall apart. And I know it shows, yeah. You keep me on my toes, yeah. Just one more song, yeah, yeah.
This sink is so sensitive. There's so many rust stains from the scrubber that we use for our dishes. We do our best not to leave it in the sink when it's wet, but my oldest does do the dishes for one of his chores, and sometimes he forgets to pull it out, so then we have all those rust stains. So if anybody has any recommendations to get all these rust stains out, please leave a comment below, because this magic eraser did do some help, but not completely. Eventually we will be switching this sink out for a stainless steel one, because I just can't. And guys, a new DIY is coming. You see that countertop? It will not be like that the next time you see it. So make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on, so when that video posts, you'll be notified on how we just made our new countertop. All of this drywall dust is from our DIY building our island ourselves. Like I said, guys, make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on, because we have a lot of DIYs coming your way. Make sure you turn your notifications on so you get notified every time a video posts. And like I said, we have much more DIYs coming your way. So guys, hope you liked the video. I'm going to go outside with the children because we got a random April snow and they really wanted to play in it. So, like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video.